I got a word.
What?
Just because, man. I heard some crap. I'm gonna take care of it. Let's go.
Alright, let's get this over now.
There, man.
Oh! Get it over! Oh! Now take that!
Oh, man. Oh.
Don't mess with what arm?
No. No. Help me up.
Get the hell out of here!
I can't, man. I'm sorry.